If we'd like to credit an invoice in ERPLY Back Office and allow the customer to use their refund for this credit invoice as store credit, we will proceed with credit or returning the invoice in the same way that we usually would, by selecting F4 and selecting return/credit. Here we will then confirm this if we are happy with the units that the customer is returning. If this is, in this example for this training video, I'm going to just assume that this customer is returning everything that they purchased, and we're just going to confirm the credit tax invoice. Just give them a return reason here. Once I have done this, you'll see that the customer has a 200 Rand prepaid amount. However, this will not pull through on the point of sale for the customer to redeem. What we'll need to do now is select See Balance Report, and the customer payment that was made on the original tax invoice waybill or receipt invoice waybill of 200 Rand. We're going to open up this payment. Let's find the one, this is the credit invoice. We are going to find the actual payment that the customer made. There it is over there. You'll see that the credit invoice will have a credit note as well as the tax invoice, and the original payment will still be sitting on the tax invoice. Okay, there we go. So here's our original payment in cash. All I'm going to do here is unassociate it from this invoice so that the customer can now use it at the point of sale and allocate it to a different invoice. You'll see that this then changes this payment to unassociated, which means that it now can be used on a different invoice.